Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss. Hey, I'm a New York City performer and hairstylist, and this is another segment of Rose Tint My Halloween. Yay! If you want to check out my work or follow me, you can look me up on Facebook or Instagram, Give Your Hair a Kiss. Check out my products and exclusive offers at giveyourhairakiss.com, giveyourhairakiss.com. And yeah, so Rose Tint My Halloween. What is that? What's going on, Kiss? Rose Tint My Halloween is a conceptual series of Halloween looks and things and stuff where I take Halloween ideas and make them very pink and also pretend like everything's okay in the world for like 2 hours. Yay! So today's look I'm super excited about for a couple of reasons. I shouldn't say never. I haven't done a clown look since I was like, oh yeah, it's a clown look. Since, oh my God, like church camp back in I did like a clown thing. It was weird. freaking love clown-centric horror movies. Like, It, original and the reboot. Like, I'm about both. I thought both were just wonderfully creepy. Oh my god. Stitches, that's a great one. I love it. Thanks for joining me, guys. Again, you can check out my work and follow me on Instagram and Facebook, Give Your Hair a Kiss. Check out my website with products and exclusive offers, giveyourhairakiss.com, and have the most awesome rose-tinted Halloween.